Hi folks, I'm Jeremy. If you happen to live in Chicago, I'm hosting an in-person workshop on Saturday, December 11th in collaboration with Green Shirt Studio called Intro to Relaxation for Performers. So I thought it would be nice to share a quick exercise that's an example of the kind of thing we might be doing in this workshop. And whether you can make it or not, I hope you find it fun and useful. So this workshop is all about handling the tension that comes up for us when we're in front of an audience, and really the stage fright that can come up. And if you ever experience stage fright, you know that it's pretty hard to sort of fight stage fright from the inside using your mind. So this workshop focuses on body-based strategies you can use to let go of your tension and enjoy performing. So all you need for this exercise is what you're using to watch this video, your eyes. So when we get in front of an audience, one of the things that happens is our eyes become hyper-focused. So I want you to just take a second and hyper-focus on the screen. Just use a little more tension in your eyes than you think you need. If you've been staring at a screen all day, this will be pretty easy. And notice that you immediately get a sense of tunnel vision. With that, you might notice you stop breathing, your muscles tense up, it gets a little harder to maybe even think. And everything feels just a little more panicky. So all we're gonna do really simply is be aware of this and consciously relax our eyes just a little bit. And you don't need to go all the way. You can just let it tick down. So I have another video you can check out in the link below if you want to learn this ticking down idea, which is something we're also going to use in the workshop. So it's really simple. Just let your eyes relax just a little bit, just a little bit more, and just a little bit more. And notice if suddenly the tunnel vision goes away, you start breathing, maybe you become more aware of everything around you, and everything just feels a little lighter, a little easier. We can take this idea even further by imagining that rather than your attention sort of flowing this way out of your eyes to see the screen, imagine your eyes can just relax and the attention can flow in this way, like the screen is coming to you. At the end of this exercise, notice if you feel just a bit more relaxed, a little more centered, like you can breathe just a little easier. And that's what our hope is with this workshop, that if you're the kind of person who gets just a little tense in front of an audience, the exercises I share can help you to relax and enjoy things a bit more. So I hope you'll consider joining us. You can sign up in the link in the description below. We are requiring proof of vaccination to attend this workshop, as well as other safety precautions to make sure you can feel fully safe while you're learning how to relax. So whether or not you can join us or not, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.